Hey, do you want to learn how to fix stiff poses? So, this is a 3 ways to fix your stiff poses from this to this. So, let's start it with first way is called contrapposto. Contrapposto is a body poses. If I talk about of contrapposto, so contrapposto is represent two lines of action for any poses. So the first line is representing shoulders and the other line is representing hip. These two lines completely tilt in the opposite direction. Let's understand with this pose. So the first line showing shoulders and the second line showing hip. The body weight is on one leg and this is the strong leg. The shoulder is still move on one side and the hip is still on the opposite direction. The body makes a soft S. Because of this, the pose looks natural and relaxed, not stiff like a robot. If both legs are straight and the body is not moving, so it looks very straight and hard. But in contrapposto, the body has a small twist, so it looks more real and alive. A famous example in the statue David made by Michelangelo. I think I have made the right guess. In this statue, the weight is on one leg and the body is slightly turned. That is contrapposto. So now let's understand second way is called cross-sectioning. Cross-sectioning means cutting something and looking inside it. I will explain. Imagine you cut an apple in half. Now you can see in the inside. That inside is called a cross-sectioning. So cross-sectioning equals to cutting and seeing in the inside view. Cross-sectioning helps you understanding the inside structure of the body or object. Artists use this idea to understand muscles, bones and 3D shapes. Now let's understand how to add cross-sectioning. Imagine the body is made of circle, square and cylinder. Now draw curved lines around these shapes. Example, if you draw an arm, don't just draw outlines. Draw curved lines around the arm, like wrapping bands. This shows the arm is round like a cylinder. So if your poses look stiff, so now draw curved lines around chest, draw curved lines around arms. So now you can see which part is turning, which part is coming forward, which part is going back. And now your poses becomes more alive and it looks like 3D. So now let's move on. Third way is called line of action. Line of action is an important concept in figure drawing and gesture drawing. It is a single imaginary line that shows the main direction, movement and energy of a pose. Artists use these lines to understand how the body is moving and how the whole figure flows from head to feet. Instead of drawing many details first, artists started with a simple line that represents the overall movement of the body. This line is called line of action. The main purpose of the line of action is to make the pose look natural and dynamic. If an artist draws the body without thinking about movement, the pose can look stiff and unnatural. The line of action helps connect all parts of the body into one small flow. Because of this, the drawing looks more alive and balanced. To identify of the line of action, artists usually looks the overall direction of the body. Instead of focusing on arms or small details, they observe the general flow from the head through the spine to the legs. The line should capture the main movement of the figure. It only needs to represent the general motion and balance. To practice line of action, artists can do quick gesture drawings. One simple exercise is to add reference photos of people and draw only one line that represents the pose. This drawing should take about 30 seconds of 1 minute. The line of action is a basic but powerful tool in drawing. I apologize again. I will try to upload the video as quickly as I can. I hope your stiff poses will improve after this video. If you found this video even slightly helpful or if you learned something new, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.